Welcome to my channel Kanaji Public Talk. Today topic is how can you crack NDA SSB interview. In second point is noted how does interview ask the question from you. So firstly I would like to tell a thought for you. Even if you die, never step from your goal. So let's to start our topic. Our topic is tell me something about yourself. Interview ask the question from you. So you can answer. You are required to give a brief about you, your family and academic qualification to make the interview understand your background. And second question, why do you want to join the defense forces? Answer, tell your goal and objectives while answering the question. That best answer to this question would involve the motivating factors that led you to apply for defense forces, like leading an active and enthusiastic life, leading a dignified life while serving the country. It will make a lasting impression on the interview. Next question, what are your strength and weakness point? For answer this question honestly, do at strength, weakness of opportunity and threats. Analysis of yourself, mention your strength and weakness to the interviewer with logical explanations. For example, I have good social skills as I like to meet new people, or I have been able to develop leadership qualities as I was a perfect in my school. Mention the weakness that you had earlier and now you have managed to overcome them by your efforts and dedication. Next question, what quality make you fit for the Indian Armed Forces? Answer, you can answer the question with the some example, like your interest in sport, your respect for Indian Armed Officer, how they are disciplined and the dignified life inspires you, etc. And next question, what if you do not get selected this time? This is very important question. This is very important question for you. This question does not mean that you will get rejected this time. The interviewer is testing your confidence and optimism. Answer this question with a positive and confidently reply like I would like to certainly like to get selected this time as I have put in a lot of efforts. What if I don't get selected this time? I would like definitely overcome my shortcoming and again apply for the defense forces. And next, which was you favorite subject during your higher secondary or 12? Tell the name of the subject in which you have the proficiency. The interview will be asked more question about your favorite subject subsequently. And next question, do you read newspaper? What do you read? It is a very important question, and I suggest you will have to read the newspaper. And answer, tell the names of the newspaper which you read on a daily basis. This question helps the interviewer to know your reading habits and your awareness regarding the important events occurring internationally and nationally. Next question, who is the General Chief of Indian Army, Navy and Air Force? It is a very important question. You will have to learn this question. So answer, candidate must brush up on their current affairs before NDSSB interview round. So Chief of Defense Staff General Bipin Rawat, recently he has died. Chief of the Army Staff General Manoj Mukund Narwane. Chief of the Air Staff Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadauria. Chief of the Naval Staff Admiral Karambir Singh. So next, how do you spend your spare time? So answer, when answering these kinds of interview question provides answer that are the honest, but that also shows that you are a well-rounded person who is the passionate about particular things, about answer that make you seem uninteresting or even hold inappropriate. That's all. Next question, whom do you love the most, your father or mother, and why? It is a very important question. I think it is a very critical question for this time. This is a tricky question which the candidate must answer carefully. Don't try to be biased towards one. But if you choose one, then try to give a complaining answer with good explanation. So what I am saying, got it all of you? Okay. Next, do you want to ask any question from me? So answer, you can ask a relevant question from the interview about the armed forces for which you have opted, like the Indian Army or Indian Navy or Indian Air Force. This will show that you are courageous to join Indian Defense Forces. So today's topic is finished. So please like my video and comment my channel, and you will definitely subscribe my channel. So that's all. Thank you.